source, radar and automated
Holy!
impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include northwestern Pasadena, southeastern Land, Missouri City, Stafford, Bel Air, West University Place, Galena Park, Jacinto City, Greater 3rd Ward, McGregor, Greater Eastwood, Midtown Houston, Downtown Houston, 2nd Ward, 4th Ward, Northtown, or Montrose, Astrodome area, University Place, Greater 5th Ward, and near Northside Houston. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. The National Weather Service.
Holy, bro. My first ever flash flood warning.